Hello everyone. If the point P 2 comma 2 is equidistant from the point A minus 2 comma K and B minus 2K comma minus 3, then find K. Also find the length of AP. Okay. So it was given that P is the point equidistant from A and B. So we know that PA is equal to PB. Okay. So we have to apply distance formula to find K value. So what is the distance formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to, again here, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so p x comma y, x1 comma y1, and here a x2 y2. So when I do that, square root of x2 minus x1 means minus 2 whole square plus y2 means k minus 2 whole square is equal to square root of, this time it will be x2 y2. So minus 2k minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Square root and square root cancels. Minus 2 minus 2 whole square is minus 4 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square is equal to, if I take minus as common from both, I will get 2k plus 2 whole square plus minus 5 whole square. So if I simplify, 16 plus a minus b whole square expansion, so I will get k square plus 4 minus 4k is equal to 2k plus 2 whole square. So I will get 4k square plus 4 plus 2 into 2k into 2. So I will get 8k plus 25. Okay. So is there any cancellation possible? Yes. Only plus 4 can cancel. Right. The remaining we have to transpose all the values from LHS to RHS. So I will get 0 is equal to 4k square plus 8k plus 25 minus k square plus 4k minus 16. So 0 equal to 4k square minus k square is minus 3 plus 3k square plus 8k plus 4k is plus 12k, sorry, plus 12k plus 25 minus 16 is plus 9. Okay, so from that if I take 3 common, k square plus 4k plus 3 is equal to 0. So I will get k square plus 4k plus 3 equal to 0 because 3 will go to 0 and will get cancelled 0. So we need to do factorization. K square plus 3k plus k plus 3 equal to 0. K plus 3 into, how much will get? K into k plus 3 into k plus 1 equal to 0. So k plus 3 equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 3. Then k is equal to k plus 1 is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 1. Okay. So we need to find the length of AP, right? So if we take the length of AP, if we want to find the length of AP by using k is equal to 3. If k is equal to minus 3, then the point is P 2 comma 2 and A point is minus 2 comma minus 3. So if we find the distance PA is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 is minus 2 minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square. So square root of minus 2 minus 2 whole square is 16 plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square is 25. So square root of 41 will come. PA value is equal to how much? Square root of square root of 41 when k is equal to minus 3. Right. Now if k is equal to minus 1, if k is equal to minus 1, then the point P is equal to 2 comma 2, point A is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. Then we have to find the value of P. What is PA? Root over minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Right. So 4 square is 16 plus 9. So square root of 25 is equal to 5. Okay. So if k equal to minus 3, then the PA value is root over 41. If k value is minus 1, then PA value is equal to 5. Thank you.